In terms of bell peppers, jalapenos, tomatoes, and eggplants, I am not germinating them again. Or maybe I will try, but I'm thinking twice of doing it again. Hello everyone! For our day off vlog for today, we are going to plant all these seedlings that I have. I live here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and there's a new nursery at the corner of Bunce Road and Rayford Road. They are selling really cheap plants, flowers, vegetable, trees, herbs, everything. I tried to start to plant bell peppers and tomatoes as well as eggplants. I realized they are very hard to germinate, and even if they germinated already, it took them a while to grow this tall. Like this one, this is eggplant. I put them in the soil on March 12 and it is now April 4th. But only few germinated, like 2. Some of them died and some did not even germinate. So next time, in terms of bell peppers, jalapenos, tomatoes, and eggplants, I am not germinating them again. Or maybe I will try, but I'm thinking twice of doing it again. But string beans, cucumber, okra, they germinated well. I went to Lowe's and to Walmart. These tall tomatoes like this, one stem is $3.49. But at this nursery, these 4 pieces of tomato is only $1.79. This variety of tomato. So it's really cheap. So this eggplant as well is $1.79 for the 4 pieces of plant. You can even save more if you buy the whole flat. This is a whole flat. A whole flat is only $20. You have 48 pieces of plants. According to your choices, you can buy all 48 tomatoes, 48 jalapenos. As long as it's one flat, it's only gonna cost you $20. I don't have to explain and encourage you more to go to that nursery, but it's still too early. I'm sure some of you haven't bought their seedlings, vegetable seedlings or flowers yet, so go ahead and go there. So what we have here is, I showed you the tomato, I showed you the eggplant. We are also going to plant long red cayenne peppers. I love this one. So we're gonna be planting jalapeno as well. I have some bell peppers. I have red, yellow. I have some pimiento. I love the smell of the pimiento. Hot peppers. Almost like banana peppers. I think this is banana, but no, it's a Hungarian wax. Okay, so let's go ahead and start planting.
Where are you gonna plant those there?
On the plant bed that you prepared. And then we'll bring the little chair. Alright, I think we're ready to go. We are building stakes for the plant. The purpose of the stake is to keep the plants upright. One stake, one plant. And then we will make it more stronger by installing a horizontal stake. The soil that is in the plant bed are old soil from last year. So what we will do, we will put a new soil on each hole. It will act as fertilizer. So our plant beds are all filled up. I have only one here. This is supposed to be for my bitter melon, but my bitter melon did not germinate. So I don't know what I will plant there. Probably another cucumber. And here we have our strawberries, string beans, strawberries. This is empty. I don't know what I will plant there, but I'll think of something. And this is our cucumbers.
Share! Click the bell, please!